Alrighty then.
Welcome to Indoor Fun.
Alrighty then. First bridge column of the year. Let's open it up. All right, I'm just gonna play. Okay, so I'm the dealer. Oh yeah, like my hat, little festive hat. Anyway, I wore this playing pickleball over the holidays before Christmas. So I figured I'd just wear it for for this first hand of the year, just for some fun. All right, let me get back to the game here. I'm the dealer, 7 high card points, not enough to open at the one level, but that's a good 6 card. So I am going to open a weak two diamond. Okay, man. Oh, my partner puts me into small slam. Yikes. All right, well, nothing I can do there. I'll just pass. I'm not going to go for full slam. All right, let's play. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so King of Spades led. So he must have King, Queen, Jack, possibly. So at least King, Queen. Um, Let me look here. So as I expected, he's got all the aces and he's got good diamonds. So it's the only way he could have done that. Um, so small slam. I can lose once. So I need 12 tricks out of 13. Now let's look here. I've got no losers in diamonds. We've got 10 of them. They have 3. We've got ace, king, queen, jack, 10. Oh, we have them all. We have 3 losers in spades, and we have 2 losers in hearts, and we have 1 loser in club after the ace and king are gone. I could rough that one, not a problem. I can rough these 3. Okay, okay, so I have to get creative with the hearts. Okay, so the opponents have the king and the queen. So here's an example of a repeated finesse. So I could, and that's a 75% chance of winning. And the 4 options are West has queen, East has king, West has king, East has queen, West has king and queen. So those first 3 options, I would only lose, well, the first 2 I would lose once, which is okay. The other one I would win both times, unless West were to actually play high, and then I would just that would draw out my ace, which would just promote my jack after I lost the next one. So no big deal. And let me think. Yeah, the only time I would lose is if East had both the king and the queen. So my finesse would lose twice. Um, yeah, okay, so. Oh, but there's another option. I could play. I could go for an end play. Yeah, okay, I like that option. Basically, it's okay to lose to East. So if East has both the king and the queen, if I end play him, in other words, he has no other option but to play a heart or another suit, um, then I would win because I would be able to rough any other card he led, and if he led a heart, I still have the ace after I lost the finesse. So that's what we'll do. Let's see how it goes. Play the ace here. All right, let me just rough this. Okay, that'll be good. And let me see here. My clubs. I've got 5. Got 8. Yeah, what I'll do. No, I'm gonna play the ace. Chances of that being split 7-1 are pretty much non-existent. I'll just go down and rough that guy. Now I will draw 1 round. There we go. I'll go up here. Now I could, yeah, I can do that. Actually, yeah, let me just come back. I'll just get rid of the last diamond and play the king. Now I can play my that safely. Go back up and play there. And rough that last spade. And So I'm in the situation now where I'm down in my hand and I can start the repeated finesse. So let's see how it goes. And if I lose to East, it should be fine because he's going to be end played. He has nothing he can play. So I'll play my heart. Okay, as expected, West plays low. So let's just see. Okay, so East did have the queen, and he might have the king. But let's just see. He's in my mind, he's end played at this point, so he has no options. If he plays a heart, I win it with the ace. If he plays any other suit, then I can basically play the 3, which is the loser, and I can rough it with the 8. And okay, so he plays the club. I get rid of my loser, and I rough it up in dummy. Now I can play my ace, get rid of my last heart, and then this is where we're going to find out who has the king. So I play the jack. Okay, East had it. So if I would have tried a repeated finesse, I would have actually lost. But in this case, since I end played East, I'm able to get that last rough and win the game. And that's how you make a contract. That's how you end play an opponent. And in this situation, you know, I could have had a 75% chance of winning, which is pretty good odds. But I turned that into 100% chance. I was able to lose once to the opponent that I wanted to lose to. I wanted him to lead up to my strength. I wanted him to lead up to my ace if I were to lose that finesse. And I gave him no other options as well because I eliminated all the other cards and I could rough any other suit. Anyway, that's an example of the end play. Haha. See ya! Thanks for watching. See ya.